In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth headset to your Nintendo Switch in just a few simple steps, especially if you want to enjoy wireless audio while gaming on your Nintendo Switch. Now, before pairing, make sure to turn on your Bluetooth headset. Make sure your Bluetooth headset is powered on and placed into pairing mode. Most headsets enter pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button for several seconds until the LED light starts flashing. If you're not sure how to activate pairing mode, check your headset's user manual. And then after that, you want to make sure to open the Nintendo Switch, especially the settings. Now go to the Nintendo Switch home menu, navigate to the gear icon labeled System Settings, and of course I want you to select it. Once inside the settings menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the Bluetooth audio, and then select the Bluetooth audio to continue. And then you want to make sure to add a new Bluetooth device. Inside the Bluetooth audio menu, select Pair Device. The Nintendo Switch will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth audio devices that are currently in pairing mode. So keep your headset close to the console during this process to ensure a stable connection. And then you want to make sure to select your headset. When your headset appears in the list of available devices, select its name. The Switch will attempt to pair and connect automatically. After a few seconds, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the headset has been successfully connected. And then after that, you want to make sure to check your firmware. Now, return to the home menu and launch a game, video, or application. You should now hear audio through your Bluetooth headset instead of the console speakers. All I have to do now is adjust the volume using either the headset controls or the volume buttons on the Nintendo Switch. Now, for troubleshooting steps, when you test the audio, okay? If your headset doesn't appear during pairing, make sure the headset is in pairing mode. Turn Bluetooth off and back on for the headset. Move the headset closer to the Switch. Remove old Bluetooth connections from the headset if it's already paired with another device. And then restart the Nintendo Switch and try pairing again. Remember, if audio cuts out or becomes delayed, disconnect and reconnect the headset or move away from sources of wireless interference. Basically, that's how you connect a Bluetooth headset to a Nintendo Switch. Once connected, you'll be able to enjoy wireless audio for your games, videos, and other entertainment while dealing with extra cables. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.